Dreams about infidelity, which are exceptionally common, typically do not mean anyone is cheating, as the dreams themselves are simply the brain processing daily information and emotions. The most logical explanations for a boyfriend having these dreams include his own relationship insecurities, unresolved past trauma or abandonment issues, or even projecting stress from other areas of his life, like work or school. Less commonly, the dreams could be triggered by him picking up on real world signals from another man flirting with his partner, or they could simply be meaningless random results of his subconscious activity. It's also possible he is projecting his own potential infidelity issues. However, the odds are higher the explanation is more mundane, so the most important step is assessing how much friction or tension the dreams are actually causing in the relationship.